Hello viewers, how you all doing today? You're welcome back to another educative video from jwealthfitness, and I hope you guys are staying healthy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 simple science-based steps to lose weight fast. Now it is very important not to skip any part of this video if you really want to achieve that weight loss goal you've been dreaming about. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Now, there are so many weight loss diets out there. Most of these diets always leave you feeling hungry or uncomfortable, which is the major reason why it is very difficult for people to stick to. However, not all weight loss diets are like that. For example, low carbs or whole food diet. These are also very effective for weight loss and it's easier to stick to. Additionally, it reduces your appetite, cause fast weight loss, and improve your metabolic health at the same time. And in case you still don't get it, don't worry, just keep on watching. Number 1, cut back on refined carbohydrate. Now, the picture you see right now on the screen, these are examples of refined carbohydrate. Now, what you need to know about refined carbohydrate is that most of the nutrients and fiber has been removed due to overprocessing, which means they contain a very less amount of nutrients. So if you're consuming a refined carbohydrate, you are basically consuming empty calories, which will definitely increase your overall body weight. Consuming refined carbohydrate don't just make you increase weight, it has also been linked to several diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Research has also shown that almost all nutritional experts have agreed that refined carbohydrate should be limited. This is probably due to the less nutritional content and the risk of diseases. Reducing refined carbohydrates such as white bread, white rice, pastry, soda, pasta, and sweets, or replacing them with whole grain food such as whole wheat, bread and pasta, brown rice, oatmeal, and millet. This can potentially help to reduce your appetite, which will generally help you to consume less calories without feeling unsatisfied. When you stick to whole grain eating plan or low carb diet, this will enable your body to start utilizing stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Number 2, eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Now you might be a little bit confused hearing me telling you to eat fat. Don't worry, I will explain more on that later on. Now if you're looking to lose weight, every of your food should contain protein source, fat source, and vegetable source. Now protein. Consuming a recommended amount of protein is very essential to help you preserve your health and muscle mass while losing weight. I'm thinking the question running through your mind right now is, how do we know our daily calorie, our daily protein intake? How do we know the right amount of protein we should consume? Because it's very important. There are many factors that determine the amount of protein you should consume on a daily basis. According to the American College of Sports Medicine, an average sedentary adult should consume a minimum amount of 0.8 grams of protein per body weight every day. For example, a person whose total body weight is 75 kg will need to consume 60 grams of protein per day. Like I said before, there are so many factors that determine your daily protein intake, including your activity level, which is why I'm going to be leaving a chart on the screen. This chart will show you the amount of protein you should be consuming on a daily basis according to your activity. All you need to do is to multiply your total body weight by the number on your activity level. This will show you your recommended daily protein intake. And on the other side of the screen are some healthy protein source, vegetables. If you want to lose weight fast, you need to consume more vegetables. Green leaf vegetables to be precisely, because they are packed with nutrients and contain less calories, which means you can consume a lot of it without significantly increasing your daily calorie intake. And here are some vegetables you can add to your weight loss diet plan. Fats. Now, our body still requires fat to function properly, regardless of our diet plan. But I'm talking about healthy fats. For example, olive oil and avocado oil. These are great sources of healthy fats. While other fats like butter and coconut oil should be consumed less often due to their high saturated fat content. Number 3, which is the last but not the least. Now, this is where exercise comes in. Move your body. Move your body. I don't know how to emphasize on this. It is very important. Move your body. I've heard a lot of people saying that exercise is not required to lose weight, but it can significantly hasten the process. Lifting weight has a potential benefit to weight loss because it enables you to burn more calories faster, and also it prevents your metabolism from slowing down. And we all know that this is one of the major side effects of losing weight. So if you really want to lose weight faster, at least try to lift weight 2 to 3 times per week. Or if lifting weight is not a good opinion for you, doing cardio workouts such as jogging, walking, running, swimming, and cycling is also very beneficial for weight loss and general health. So guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I'm very sure that this video was informative to you. So go ahead and click the like button and feel free to share. And if you have a question, please drop it at the comment section and I promise I'll get back to you. See you next week. Bye.